We recently stayed at the Hyatt Vivid Grand Island in Cancun, Mexico, and had a great time. This is a newer, all-inclusive resort that caters to adults only. It's a short trip from the Cancun airport, which makes it a great pick for an extended weekend. We were able to stay here with credit card rewards points and didn't have to pay anything extra, which was amazing. We even got an upgrade to the Vantage Club because of status, and that made the experience even better. Upon arrival, we received a warm welcome and were greeted with some nice cold towels and a refreshing drink. Check-in was an easy process, and we only had to wait a little bit before our room was ready for our stay. The resort has a clean, modern feel, which translates into the suites as well. We were upgraded to a Vantage Club corner suite golf and ocean view. I think our room was missing a tub because in all the photos there's supposed to be one underneath these hanging lights in the bathroom, but it wasn't a deal breaker for us since we never used them. The shower space was nice and large and featured 2 rain showers and included windows to see the stunning view. With the simple and understated decor in the room, it really let the view shine. I will say one downfall of the corner suite is the room can really heat up during the day if you forget to close your curtains. The sun will be shining in the windows and heating up the room. Our AC never got below 21 degrees Celsius, but luckily there was a ceiling fan to help with airflow. The bed was very comfortable. Our balcony was very large, and since it was on a corner, we could see both the bay and the golf course and ocean. These views were really amazing and one of the perks of having this suite. I think this resort would be a great stay for those who enjoy golfing since there is this beautiful course right next to it. The resort is pretty small and set up more like a standard hotel with a pool area than a sprawling property with multiple buildings. There is a beach club you can go to via a shuttle, but since we were there for a short time, we didn't make the journey over there. There are 3 main pools, 2 on the ground level and a rooftop one. The ground level pool is really more like one giant one, separated by a walkway, but one side is more calm and the other is more lively because of the swim-up bar. The busiest pool was definitely the rooftop because of the amazing views. I believe the rooftop pool is now only for Vantage Club guests, but it was available to everyone during our stay. Our favorite place to hang out was the rooftop pool. There was a swim-up bar and the views were amazing to take in while enjoying the water. Up on the rooftop level is also the fitness center. They had a lot of Peloton treads, which I had been wanting to try. Also, this is video evidence I don't just eat, and I do exercise. If you've seen the comments on our Reykjavik food walk video, you understand. The Vantage Club allows access to a specialty bar with premium liquors and snacks. We found ourselves visiting the venue daily and would always ask for fun drinks. They definitely had the best drinks on property, and if you're more of a craft cocktail fan, then the Vantage Club would be worth it for you. Overall, the drinks at this resort are pretty good. There were lots of options to choose from, and we had some quality cocktails during our stay. For the most part, you won't find anything super complex or high-end, but we enjoyed everything we drank. They would sometimes have carts with specialty cocktails in front of the restaurants in the evenings, and we thought that was a fun touch. I feel like the cocktails here are pretty comparable to other all-inclusive resorts we've visited. The food was the quality I'd expect from an all-inclusive resort. I'm not expecting to have some of the best meals I've ever had, but instead a solid meal that I enjoy. I think having the appropriate expectations really helps when going to an all-inclusive. I'll show you some video of the meals we enjoyed during our stay. The lighting in the restaurants was always very dark in the evenings, so I won't spend too much time showing everything since it is a little hard to see, but I want to give you an idea of the food quality and presentation. There was a variety of restaurants we were able to enjoy, and it was great being able to mix it up during our short stay. We've also realized that we're not the biggest fans of all-inclusive resorts, and it's not our preferred vacation method. Staying for free with points is great, but I don't think I'd want to go to more than one a year. I think we'll have a few videos in the future showing our other all-inclusive stays, but I'm not sure how in-depth they'll be. I don't have anything against all-inclusives, it's just usually during the day you lounge around by the pool, soak up the sun, and as a redhead who burns very easily, I don't like to be in the sun all day. There's also only so much I can eat and drink before my stomach just has had enough and doesn't want any more. Do you enjoy all-inclusive resorts? What's one of your favorites? Let me know in the comments. We're definitely more cruise type of people, and I can't wait to catch up on all of our cruise content from the past couple of months. Overall, we had a nice time at this resort, but I would only recommend it if you're doing a short stay just because it's not the largest property and the restaurants are pretty limited. Also, having to travel to the beach club can be cumbersome. If you want everything where you're staying all to be in one location, I would probably choose a different property. But overall, we enjoyed our stay. Thanks for watching our video as we shared our experience at this resort. I'm really looking forward to content I have planned in the future, so please make sure to tune back in, especially if you love cruising.